Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Google form and go straight to the Responses tab. You already signed in, so start there. Once done, glance at the summary view to confirm the data you'll share, because that determines the link type. Make sure to decide if you want responders to see charts or just raw answers. This affects sharing choices. Finally, click the three-dot menu near the responses to reveal export and sharing options. This is the first actionable move. From the Responses tab, open the menu and choose how to produce a shareable link. If you want live data, link the form to a Google Sheet. That Sheets share link updates automatically. Alternatively, pick Get Link to Summary to copy a read-only summary URL for charts and totals. Make sure to check Respondent settings. If responses are restricted to your domain, external viewers won't access the link. Once confirmed, use Copy Link and prepare to distribute it. Now share the copied link wherever you need it: email, chat, or a website. Make sure the destination item, the summary page, or the link spreadsheet has appropriate view permissions so recipients can open it without signing in. If you need editable data, share the sheet with edit rights or export a CSV and attach it. If someone reports access issues, immediately check permission settings, test the link in an incognito window, and verify domain restrictions. Those three.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.